he's running. He's over there. Is it?
Look it. Are them ducks?
Look there, homies. They waiting for their mama.
Hey, I hear that motherfucker.
Over there. I'm getting away.
Yeah.
They following us.
Oh, maybe they think that we their mom, man. You know ducks when they, or is that geese? Goons, loons?
I know they gonna get ran over though. I don't know how close. Hello, little birdie.
You want to take them? You want to take them home? These birds. These birds. Touch one, G.
They gonna get ran over.
Touch one.
No, their mom's gonna eat them. Don't touch them.
That's like the cat.
That's for birds too. These birds eat birds before. Baby.
They about to get
Hey, they mom somewhere in this tree. I can hear her. You hear her?
Yes. Get away from that.
Why do you think I'm standing from a distance?
Oh, they're so cute.
I'm recording them.
chilling.
My two homies. We like peas in the pot, stuck on a rock. Planet Earth, we call it.
Get them out the street.
They out the street. I can't
Nobody
get close.
run them over now. I'll be mad. They are so cute. I wish they could fly.
Hey, don't call your mama over here.
Thank you.
I swear, and I'm gonna take off.
Is there all of our stuff out of there? I believe so.
Yep.
I just got done helping them carry this stuff up.
Leave it alone.
I'm gonna throw a rock at his ass.
I'm lucky on it.
Hey. Leave it alone. Don't do that.
You see me looking for one, huh?
Yeah. You're ignorant.